Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change language on Kiwi browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to click on here to open my Kiwi browser. Having opened up your Kiwi browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then you have to go to site settings. And then you have to go to languages. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on prefer language right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on current device language right here. Then you are going to see so many different languages that you can simply switch to. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down and choose any of the available languages right here that you really understand. It's as simple as that. Or better still, you can simply go back and then click on add language right here. It's as simple as that. So automatically your Kiwi browser language display is going to change to your preferred language without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.